Hi kiddos, Miss Smith here, and we're going to do our morning meeting for the day. I'm outside in my backyard because it's so beautiful outside. You can hear the birds chirping. Can you hear the birds? And I hear some cars driving by in the distance. Can you hear the cars? I'm even outside. My dog Homie is with me. Can you see our dog? Okay, let's get started. I have a box of mac and cheese because that's going to be my instrument for the day, and we're going to start by singing days of the week. So if you have some mac and cheese or another instrument, or you can even just practice snapping your fingers. But let's sing along. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week. Okay, so let's see what day of the week we're on. Today is Tuesday. Can you say Tuesday? I'm going to type the word today in our square. Kiddos, if today is Tuesday, then I know yesterday was Monday. Yesterday was Monday. And if today is Tuesday, then I'm going to hop forward. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Good job. So today is Tuesday, April. Can you say this number? 14th. It's the number 14. So today is Tuesday, April 14th. Good job. I'm going to click over to our weather and we're going to look what it's like in Lawrence, Kansas right now. So I see the temperature right here. Is this the number 20 or 40? 40, you're right. This is the number 40. That's our temperature. And I see right here a yellow circle. When we look at our weather report, do you see anything else that looks like a yellow circle? Sunny. That's a yellow circle. So when we see that on our weather report, we know that that's the sun. I don't see any clouds or rain right here. So our weather report is telling us that it's going to be sunny. Let's check out that temperature guide. If we said our temperature is 40 degrees, can you find 40 on our temperature guide? It's right here. It's really close to the middle. 40. And that falls in our green zone, which means cool. I see this kiddo wearing a hat. It looks like there might be some breeze in the background, some wind. I feel some wind right now. Do you see the tree in the background waving? That's from the wind because we're cool outside. So today is going to be 40 degrees. It's 40 degrees right now, but I see down here that we're going to get up to 51 or 52. Let's find that on our temperature guide. Here's 50. So 51 is a little bit above 50. 51 is greater than 50. So it's going to be right here. We're going to jump into that yellow or warm zone for today. But remember, it's going to be sunny, so get outside, get moving, and play around. Be safe, be healthy, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me for morning meeting.